Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Jude Butaslak. Okay, and if you're new here, please subscribe na din and hit the notification bell para updated kayo pag may bago akong video. Okay, pero ngayon, medyo kakaiba itong aking vlog dahil nag-request ang aking pamangkin na si Glinea, ang aking partner sa pag-YouTube. Kung nakikita nyo yung batang makulit sa aking mga past videos. Okay, so it's her birthday today, August 25. Okay, so nag-request siya na videohin ko daw, mag-celebrate daw kami ng birthday dito, birthday niya. Kaya lang, wala akong ma-video kasi she's in Canada. Kaya, if you don't know who I'm talking about, ito ang aking pamangkin na si Glinea. So, here are some pictures and videos of her. So, isa siyang TikTokerist and a singer, a dancer, and tumutula. Okay, pero ang tula niya is French kasi nasa Canada siya. And ito yung kanyang mga past videos or pictures nung nandito siya sa Philippines. Okay? So, ayan. Panoorin nyo.
In the ground. Up came a sun, big and round. Down came a raindrops, soft and slow. Up came a flower, grow, grow, grow. Sa ilalim ng kalawakan, kapag piling ka, may sa nawalan. Suksiyang langit, inuwala ka, namahalan. Kaya, yating nawahan.
mahal mo, wala na ang iyong lungkot. Sobrang saya na makakasama ka na muli sa tagal natin. When I know I've got you with me. Push me up when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know that this can't help but show. You break this heart and tear it apart. Then suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, face, your lips that I miss. The sweet little eyes stare at me, make me say I'm with you through all the way. 'Cause it's you who feels the emptiness in me.
Mabango ba yung nilaba mo?
Uy, basa na ako!
Mabango ba?
Oh.
Kamay mo na. Mabango. Wag
Isay! Isay! Uy, isay! Uh-oh. To you, happy birthday to you.
Anong birthday?
Ikaw. Happy birthday to you.
Malayo pa. Magkasunod birthday natin.
Binigay ko ba sa yung cellphone ko? Ano meron? Ingat ka
Hi
ha.
guys! Birthday ko kasi nawala yung TikTok ko.
Ba't ang dumi ng mukha mo? Ano yung ano yung niluluto mo?
Marunong
ano?
Shabu-shabu.
Magaling
Shabu-shabu.
drama si Nia. Ano yun? Oo, matapon.
And also to our committees, thank you sir, thank you ma'am, and those people behind this success is not going to happen without them. Okay, so what's on for the next, and well, you'll never know. I can say anything, I'm happy because it's
Okay guys, so yan, nakita nyo yung mga pictures at saka videos niya kung gaano siya kakulit. And so ayun, hi Iya, and hindi man ako nakagawa ng video or sa celebration ng birthday mo kasi wala ka dito. Ito naman ang mga gustong bumati sa'yo. Watch this.
Hello Nia! Happy birthday! At sana marami ka pang birthday at masasaya. Sana masaya ang birthday mo ngayon kahit hindi tayo magsama-sama. Enjoy your special day. We miss you always and I love you syempre. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka dyan sa inyong pupuntahan na binyo ng birthday mo. Ingat! God bless! Wish you all the best! Ingat lagi! Love you! Bye-bye! Happy birthday! 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Nia Tot. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yay!
Happy birthday, Nia! Ingat kayo lagi. We love you and miss you.
Happy birthday! Happy 9th birthday, Nia Tot. And magpakabait ka dyan lagi. And mag-aral mabuti. And pag nakabakasyon ka, di makaligo tayo ulit sa Bagatanan. Diba? Okay, so ingat kayo dyan lagi. Mag-aral mabuti. And wag makulit masyado. Okay? Okay, happy birthday!
Happy 9th birthday, Nia. Wish ko good health sa'yo. At saka mag-aral kang mabuti. At saka enjoy mo yung birthday mo. At saka enjoy mo lang, bebe, yung pagkabata mo. At saka lagi kang happy dyan. Lagi mo tulungan si mama dyan sa mga ginagawa niya sa bahay, ganun. At saka always make your mama and Papa Glenn proud. Yun lang. Happy birthday, be. Ano sasabihin mo kay Ate Nia, be?
Mama, chup-chup, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Make Daddy Glenn always proud.
Daddy Jan on always proud.
Ayun, lagi kang pakabait dyan, be. Ha? God bless and I love you.
Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Sige na. Happy birthday, Ate Nia.
Happy birthday.
Wish namin, lagi kang healthy dyan.
Oo nga.
Happy.
Oo nga.
At magkaroon pa ng maraming friends. Ano ba, Ben? Sabihin mo.
Happy birthday. Meow, 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 meow.
At sana ano ba? Natupad mo na yata lahat ng wish mo eh. Ang gusto ko lang, kami ni Lucho ay maging healthy ka at kung ano pa yung wish mo sa buhay, sana matupad. At saka always pray. Diba? Yun lang. Happy birthday. Mua, chup-chup. Happy birthday, Nia.
Pakabait ka dyan. I miss you.
Napakabait kang bata, Nia. We miss you. Ingat ka lagi dyan. Be a good girl to your mom and dad, okay? Happy birthday ulit, Nia.
Birthday.
God bless.
Bye.
Hi, Nia! We are My. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Nia! Take care of yourself and we will be seeing each other, I hope, soon.
Nia, happy birthday! And sana lagi kang strong dyan. Lagi mong believe in yourself and always be grateful of what you have right now. And better days are coming. Every day is a challenge that you have to succeed. Ano ang opposite ng success, Lala?
Unsuccessful.
No. Any Ikaw, Mi, anong opposite ng success?
Failure.
Failure is not an opposite of success because failure is part of success. Ang opposite ng success ay fear. Kaya huwag kang matakot.
Hindi Joy yun.
Wait lang! Kasi kapag hindi mo ginawa ang isang bagay dahil natakot ka, hindi mo malalaman kung success ka sa ginawa mo. At kung failure man, failure is always part of success. Kaya huwag kang matakot. Always make every day a blessing.
Queen! Happy birthday, Nia! Si Lala Ite, si Nakshi. I hope you enjoy your birthday there. Stay healthy, Nia Tots. And very, very soon, sabi nga ni Madam dito, magkikita tayo. Kasi baka malay mo nandyan na kami pagka-dilat mo, diba? Anyway, Nia, we love you always. From the bottom of my heart, love you!
Happy birthday, Nia!
Hindi siya mukhang heart, ha?
Okay, Nia, happy birthday ulit, and take care always, and lagi kang mag-pray, and ingat kayo lagi dyan, okay? Happy birthday, happy 9th birthday, okay? Bye!